Shoot around. Brandon, show me what you got. Yeah, bang. Ooh.
By Jack Cooley, their hulking center, who will be providing the points and the rebounds. And Keita Imamu.
Somehow, Dario got to it.
An impressive mark in field goal shooting.
After that first basket by Meralco, it's a 7-0 run for opportunity. Third serving for Ryukyu. Cooley sliding.
And seemed to buy a basket. His team still down by 4.
Law from deep. That is good. The 17-foot pull of them. Pushing hard. 4-on-2. Banchero misses. Newsom cleans it up. Ryukyu on the attack. Cooley on the slide. Kicks it back out. Left wing triple. Hodge helping out. They force it inside to Vic. And
He just lost his man, allowing that second chance basket.
Lofton switches to the... Oh. Ryukyu turns it over. Lofton and Banchero.
Collision, the problem for Meralco. It was already their 4th team foul, so the Golden Kings will be help there coming from Jack Cooley to make the shot difficult for Lofton.
Onodera lights it up. Can tie it or retake the lead. Lofton down the gut of the defense. Long, attacking, kicking. Onodera again by Cooley. Big stop after big time. Kishimoto, they go to the three-pointer. That is a big one once again for
Primary defender against former NBA player Ronde Hollis Jefferson.
Newsom trying to show us his offense for Hugh Watanabe. And this is because Meralco is in the penalty as well. Banchero with some daylight. Couldn't get it to stick, but Almazan is there. Burning that clock. Imamura looking for the opening. Kicks to the corner. No go. Assists. And an assist already. Ball stays with the Golden Kings. Corner three-pointer. That's good.
Served that mid-range jumper as well. Just took it a little too long.
Law. And blocked at the end by Eben. And he launches it.
Big shots.
Law gets it across. He attacks Newsom. Vic on the move with some daylight. The loop. Who did he go to? Newsom creates the space. Ties both to make it a 2-possession lead.
The old hammer play there. Banchero setting up Newsom in the corner. Not given enough spin a chance.
Ryukyu and Meralco battling to a tie. Not no more. Here with a steal. He looks around. He feeds Hodge. Cliff is fouled. Newsom steps back. That's good.
The stripe.
Those 2 3-pointers. The first one to tie it at 86. The next one, Cooley late in the regulation as well.
Huge as well. 15 and 12 for Eben.
Sports Arena in Manila.
That is big.